Okay, I have picked out my stencil now that my painting is dry. My stencil has been spray painted blue so that I can see where I'm applying the gel gloss. When it's the Mylar white, I can't see it against the painting. So by doing this blue, I can see it a lot easier. That is one of my favorite tips for using stencils, is to get a Krylon paint, spray paint, whatever you want, and just spray it a couple of coats. It does not affect the gel at all, and you can see it better. I've cut off my corners because this is where I choose to tape them instead of taping here and here, which pushes my painting up in the middle, and then it's easier for the gel gloss to seep underneath. So I like taping it here and here. All right, so I am going to be mixing up some soft gel gloss by Golden and some heavy gel gloss. I like this mixture. It seems to be working for me. And then I will be adding in a little bit of black, Mars Black by Winsor & Newton, to tint the gel gloss. So that way, if it dries where I don't want it, it looks like it's on purpose because I tinted it. Well, hopefully that's the concept. So let me mix this up, and I will be putting down the Mars Black paint also after I apply my first layer of gel gloss. And then I'm going to do some of this Prussian blue hue, and I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do a little bit of silver. I might, I'm not sure. But the basis of this stencil is that I want this mandala stencil look to be dark because of the white background. Wish me luck. The sound didn't come out right in this next part, so I'm just going to tell you that I am showing you the area where there's clumps, and I'm saying that I hope I can fix it once it's dry. I am so happy with how this dried. I'm even more happy with the fact that, I don't know if you saw at the end of the last part of this video, when I was done taking off the stencil, this area right here clumped really bad. And what I did was I took my razor blade and I went through and I cut it. Once it was dry, I cut off the area that was just way too thick, and it worked. So I'm happy I can do that with this gel. I think that's a great way of fixing it, but you have to wait till it's dry, because trying to do it while it's wet, it's just a mess. So if you liked this project and you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you all in the next project, where I might do this on a gray and white background with a pop of color in the middle. What color, I'm not sure. If you have any suggestions, please leave me in the comments down below. I love hearing other people's ideas of what they like for colors, especially something that might go in their home. That helps me a lot plan what I might not think of for colors. So, because I'm always going to choose blue. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again soon.